this is the helm, and here's all the gauges with the Raymarine. I actually don't know. Walkie-talkie thing. Radar and sonar.
And chart plotter, right?
Oh yeah, yeah, that's right. Chart plotter and sonar.
And there's how we get downstairs.
Yeah, right there.
And
here's our sitting
up here.
Here's where we keep our halos. And there's the sitting area.
Sitting area. There's the French doors in the back. The back deck.
Yeah.
The lazarette doors, which we're going to get new
later.
Wooden, like suicide-like doors.
Then come around
Good
here. Here is the way you get to the front.
Good.
There's the helm. And up here is the kitchen.
Oh, there's the bilge going.
And up here is the sitting area.
There's the sitting area.
Right here. And the anchor.
There's Brody's boat.
What?
There's Brody's boat up there. The helm. The windows need to be washed bad.
Yeah, I did. Or it's been. We need to see if we should like this first.
Keep going.
There's a lot.
Oh, a wasp. Just keep going. He'll leave you alone.
And then we're back.
We're back. This is the way we get on and off the boat here at Isle of Hope. And these
And the boat's being again.
are all the other boats here at Isle of Hope Marina. That out there is the Intercoastal Waterway. You've seen several boats go by the last 3 days.